Hey guys, so this is the second part of my ZTX-10 video. So I changed the motor and the ESC as well. I did that actually before I gave it its first run. I forgot to mention that. So this is actually now a higher kV motor. I've put a steel pinion gear on it from a Traxxas kit. So yeah, we're gonna take this out, we're gonna give it another run now that I've got a better pinion on it that hopefully shouldn't thread itself. It's running, it sounds like it's nice and meshed up correctly and everything. So meshing on this one is actually a little bit annoying as well, because once you actually screw this back plate in, it can change, because once this plate is off and you remove the cover to get to the pinion and the spur gear, it actually makes the whole car sort of go from this to this, so it actually folds out a little bit. So this back plate actually keeps it tensioned a little, so if the meshing is off, then I'll have to re-tweak it a little bit. It's just a little bit annoying on this car to try and get it perfect. Alright, well, enough talking from me. Let's take it out, let's give it a drive. Let's see how it goes. Alright, Thunder ZTX-10, second attempt at a run with the metal pinion gear on. Let's see if this one lasts a bit better. Alright, let's see if we can get a full speed pass. Alright, that Traxxas steel pinion definitely is holding up and making a difference. Probably going to have to put a stronger servo in this one though. I've got one on the way, hopefully it'll arrive soon, because once you get this thing up to speed it becomes very squirrely, and you've probably noticed it zigzagging and weaving, and that's because the servo won't stay straight. Yep, we're flipped over. Give me a sec. Alright, we're back. Give it a couple more quick blips and then I think we'll call this a video. I think we've had the pinion come off again. Yep, had a pinion come off again, and don't know if you can see it, but that right shock has blown itself out, so I have to try and fix that too. Alright, put some shock oil in it because it would have drained itself completely. Alright, get it back in the shed and I'll fix it up, but overall, good car. On 3S is plenty with this, honestly. I can't imagine people wanting to go much higher than 3S because imagine it'll just become a backflip machine then. Alright, remember to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.